Hi guys, it's Rachel from WTI, and right here I have one thing that I always need when I walk my big dog. So this is PetSafe Gentle Leader Dog Collar. This thing is amazing. If you have a big dog that it's really hard to walk and pull, this thing takes over the control of their pulling, their lunging, their jumping. This is painless, it is humane, it is not a muzzle, it's made of a nice gentle nylon material, very easy to go on. You're just gonna pull this one part to put over their nose, and then you have a nice clip that goes around back so you can use it as a dog collar. You can also use it just as a dog collar without the nose control thing, so it's more flexible. It doesn't irritate your dog as well. They're very comfortable. You can adjust it, and it does have a nice clip that it clips right on, and then as you're walking you take control of that pulling, and you're gonna have a much more enjoyable walk with your big dog. I don't go anywhere without this if I am taking my dog for a walk. This thing is absolutely amazing, but that's just my point of view.